Dog breeds exhibit an incredible range of shapes, sizes, and colors, making them the most diverse mammal species in terms of physical variety. So, I wanted to focus on learning about this variety, and I chose 13 different species of dogs to make studies of. The first illustration I worked on is the Great Dane, often called the Apollo of dogs. It is a giant breed known for its impressive size, elegance, and gentle temperament. Originating in Germany, these dogs were initially bred for hunting wild boar, bears, or deer, but have since become affectionate family companions. Despite their towering height, they are friendly, affectionate, and good with children. Great Danes require early training and socialization due to their size, but they are known for their loyalty and calm demeanor. Their short coat comes in various colors, including fawn, brindle, and harlequin. I chose a fawn colored Great Dane to illustrate, and it turned out to be a nice exercise to start with drawing dogs. Next, I worked on a German Shepherd study. I usually start with trying to get the overall shape and silhouette right. The first sketch is usually a guideline for my second sketch. I lower the opacity of the first sketch layer and refine my lines on a new layer, and once the sketching phase is over, I fill in my sketch with some color, and then comes the rendering and adding texture. I wanted to include the German Shepherd to my drawings because I don't know why, but it was like a typical dog type for me. It was the one of the first images that comes to my mind, and overall, I learned that they are amazing dogs. The German Shepherd is one of the most intelligent and versatile dog breeds out there. Originally bred in Germany for herding sheep, they quickly became famous for their loyalty, trainability, and protective nature. That's why we see them working as police, military, and service dogs. They're strong, athletic, and always eager to learn. They're also super affectionate with their families but can be reserved with strangers. My next illustration is of a Italian Greyhound. It is a small, elegant breed known for its slender build, speed, and affectionate nature. Originating in ancient times, they were bred to hunt hares and rabbits, but these dogs were beloved by the nobility and even depicted in Renaissance art. Despite their delicate appearance, they are energetic and love to run, often reaching impressive speeds. Italian Greyhounds are incredibly loyal and thrive on human companionship, making them great lap dogs. They have a short, smooth coat, and this illustration turned out to be my favorite one in all the dog breeds I tried to draw. When I was making research on dog breeds, I came upon the Afghan Hound and immediately thought I should include one to my illustrations because of its appearance. It is recognized for its long, silky coat and a gracefully curled tail with a distinctive ring at the tip. The Afghan Hound is a striking breed known for this dignified appearance. Originally bred in Afghanistan for hunting in mountainous terrain, these dogs are fast, independent, and incredibly agile. And despite their aristocratic look, they have a playful and sometimes mischievous personality. Afghan hounds are known for their aloof nature with strangers but are deeply affectionate with their families. Their luxurious coat requires regular grooming to prevent tangles. While they enjoy lounging in style, they also need plenty of exercise. Elegant, athletic, and full of personality, the Afghan Hound must be a truly unique and captivating breed. Another dog breed that caught my attention was the Saluki. They are closely related to Afghan hounds. The Saluki is an ancient and graceful breed known for its incredible speed, endurance, and elegant appearance. Originally bred by the nomadic tribes in the Middle East for hunting game, these dogs are built for agility and stamina. With a slim yet muscular frame, feathered ears, and a sleek coat, they exude both beauty and athleticism. Salukis are independent yet deeply loyal to their families, often forming strong bonds with their owners. They require plenty of exercise and enjoy running at full speed. The Saluki is known for its graceful and symmetrical appearance, and painting their silky fur was a fun challenge. Then I started working on a golden retriever illustration. Golden retrievers are one of the most popular dog breeds, known for their friendly, loyal, and intelligent nature. Originally bred in Scotland in the late 19th century by crossing the now extinct Tweedwater Spaniel with the Bloodhound and other retriever breeds, golden retrievers were developed for hunting and retrieving game due to their excellent swimming ability and strong work ethic. They're medium to large sized dogs with a beautiful golden coat which is dense and water resistant. Their well proportioned bodies, expressive eyes, and broad heads give them an approachable and friendly look. They have a strong athletic stance with a gently tapering tail that is often carried proudly. Their friendly demeanor makes them great family pets and companions, often excelling in roles such as therapy, service dogs, and search and rescue due to their intelligence and trainability. I also wanted to include a terrier type of dog for my collection of illustrations. I looked at many different breeds of terriers and decided that I want to draw a Jack Russell Terrier. It is a small but energetic and fearless breed known for its lively and playful personality. Originally bred in England for fox hunting, they were prized for their courage, agility, and strong hunting instincts. Jack Russells have a compact, sturdy frame, and their appearance is characterized by a smooth or rough coat, which can be predominantly white with black, brown, or tan markings. They have a distinct triangular-shaped head with a sharp, alert expression and small dark eyes that exude intelligence. Their ears are typically folded or semi-erect, adding to their charming appearance. With a strong, muscular body, a long, straight back, and a tail often carried high, they present an athletic, agile silhouette. Despite their small size, they possess an energetic and confident nature, making them highly active and curious companions. For my next illustration, I looked at toy dog species because since I illustrated many large dog types, I wanted to add a cuter dog breed. There are many really cute dog species out there, and it was a tough decision, but I ended up drawing a Papillon. The Papillon is a small, elegant dog breed known for its friendly and lively personality. Its name, which means butterfly in French, comes from its distinctive large butterfly-like ears that are fringed with long silky fur. It is a spaniel type of dog and sometimes also called continental toy spaniel. Papillons are compact yet well proportioned. Their coat is long, flowing, and silky, often in a combination of white with patches of various colors such as sable, black, or lemon. They have a refined, delicate build with a graceful, slightly rounded head and bright, expressive eyes that reflect their intelligent nature. Their plume-like tail curls over their back, contributing to their regal appearance. Papillons are known for being energetic, alert, and easy to train, making them excellent companions. Despite their small size, they are confident and proud with a joyful disposition that makes them a popular choice for families and individuals alike. For this illustration, I chose the Pointer breed. The Pointer, also known as the English Pointer, is a graceful and athletic breed known for its exceptional hunting and pointing abilities. Pointers have a sleek, muscular build that showcases their agility and stamina, making them excellent companions for active families and hunters alike. Their coat is short, smooth, and dense, typically found in various colors such as liver, lemon, black, and white, often with distinctive markings or patches. The pointer's head is long and narrow with a straight, well-defined muzzle, and they have dark, expressive eyes that convey their alertness and intelligence. Their ears are set high and hang close to their head. The breed's tail is long, tapering, and carried in a gentle curve. With their strong athletic physique, pointers are known for their excellent speed, endurance, and precision in the field. During my childhood, if anyone asked me what kind of a dog I would like to own, I would say it would be a husky, so I knew I was going to draw one for this project. The Siberian Husky is a medium-sized, working dog breed known for its striking appearance and strong endurance. Huskies are well built with muscular frame and a thick double coat that keeps them warm in cold climates. Their coat comes in a variety of colors, including black, gray, and red, with distinctive facial markings, often resembling a mask around their eyes. Their almond-shaped eyes, which can be blue, brown, or one of each, give them an expressive, intelligent look. And I tried to illustrate this one with those features, one eye blue, the other one brown, and I think these dogs look really elegant. They have erect triangular ears and a bushy tail that curls over their back. They were originally bred in Siberia for sledding and working in harsh conditions, so Huskies are known for their incredible stamina and ability to pull sleds over long distances. They're independent, energetic, and social dogs, often requiring regular exercise and mental stimulation to stay happy. While I was making research on dogs, I came upon this dog which I did not know anything about. I knew because it has fluffy fur it will be a bit challenging to draw, but I really like the way it looks and I wanted to try. It is the American Eskimo Dog, and it is an intelligent breed known for its striking appearance and versatile abilities. Despite its name, it is not from Alaska but was developed in the United States. There are three size variations: toy, miniature, and standard. This breed has a thick double-layered white coat that gives it this fluffy, snowball-like appearance, with a mane of fur around its neck, making it resemble a small wild lion. Its almond-shaped dark eyes and erect ears give it an alert, curious expression. The American Eskimo is highly trainable and often excels in obedience, agility, and even herding. Historically, they were used as circus performers and working dogs for herding livestock. Their intelligence, agility, and eagerness to please make them excellent companions for active families, though they require regular grooming due to their dense coat. Another dog breed that I wanted to illustrate because of its elegant looks was the Yakutian Laika. It is a versatile dog breed originating from Siberia's Yakutia region with a history dating back to 12,500 years. They were developed by the native Yakut people. These dogs were used for hunting, herding reindeer, and pulling sleds. They were integral companions for survival in harsh northern climates. The breed's function include hunting game, herding and hauling heavy loads, making them invaluable to the Yakut people. Despite their ancient origins, the Yakutian Laika face a significant population decline due to mechanization, disease, and social changes. They are known for their excellent stamina, sense of smell, and adaptability to harsh conditions. Yakutian Laikas are also highly trainable and good with humans, but they are critically endangered, and there are even efforts to preserve the breed by cloning. And my last illustration is of a dingo, and the dingo is an ancient lineage of dog found in Australia, with its exact taxonomic classification being debated. It is often considered subspecies of the domestic dog or a separate species, so instead of grouping it with my dog illustrations, I added this as a canis species to my canis illustrations. The dingo's presence in Australia dates back more than 3,000 years. Its classification varies across different scientific sources, and it is sometimes seen as a subspecies or either the dog or wolf. The dingo has adapted to the Australian environment, and its genetic makeup shows some hybridization, and despite the debate over its classification, the dingo remains an important and iconic part of Australia's wildlife. The dingo is considered a wild dog native to Australia, known for its lean, athletic build and distinct appearance. Typically, dingoes have a short, coarse coat that is usually a tan or reddish-brown color, though some may have white, black, or brindle markings. They have a pointed muzzle, erect ears, and sharp, intelligent eyes that give them a wolf-like appearance. They are highly adaptable predators. They are skilled hunters, preying on small to medium-sized animals like rabbits, kangaroos, and birds. Dingoes are also known for their ability to survive in Australia's harsh environments, often hunting in packs, although they can also hunt solo. They have an important role in the ecosystem as apex predators, helping to control populations of other species, and despite their wild nature, dingoes have a historical connection to indigenous Australian culture. So after completing all of these studies, I think I will take a break and maybe study other animal types, maybe birds or lizards. But there were many other dog breeds that I wanted to study. I made a list of them, and these were the first ones that I wanted to draw. Maybe I will be continuing these studies later on. So I hope to see you in my next species study.